Have you ever lied and felt your heart race or your palms get super sweaty? Well, turns out that's not just guilt. It's your brain working overtime. Hello, my name is Landla,
My name is Jihun.
My name is Jasmine.
and we are students from Konkan Vityayan School. And this is a part of our science project. For our project, we chose the topic, the science of lying. What happens in our brain?
We thought it would be interesting to see how lying affects our brain and body, and even how machines like lie detectors try to catch it.
So we made a short video to make it more fun and easier to understand. Now, let's see what really happens when somebody says,
I didn't eat the cookies.
"Yay!"
I know you ate my cookies. Stop lying.
I swear I didn't. I wouldn't do that.
She's lying.
Wait, how do you know?
Yeah, how?
Because lying changes your brain and your body. Don't believe me? Let's see how it works.
Brain works over time. The prefrontal cortex, right behind your forehead, takes the lead. It's in charge of planning, decision making, and self control. When you lie, it has to invent the false story, keep it consistent, and stop you from blurting out the truth. That's a lot of mental effort. Meanwhile, the anterior cingulate cortex acts like an error detector. It notices the conflict between truth and lie. Basically, it's the part screaming, hey, that's not right. And then the amygdala, the brain's emotion center, often lights up. This is where feelings like guilt, fear, or anxiety appear. That's why many people get nervous while lying. In short, lying is hard work for your brain. It activates a whole network of regions all at the same time.
And it doesn't stop there. Because your brain is connected to your body. The amygdala can trigger the fight or flight response, making your heart beat faster and your breathing change. Stress hormones like adrenaline can increase sweating. Your nervous system can make tiny changes in your voice, your pupils, and even your micro expressions. Those tiny facial reactions that are hard to hide.
And here's something fascinating. Studies show that if you lie often, the amygdala's responses can weaken. In other words, lying gets easier and less stressful the more you do it.
Okay, but I don't have a brain scanner. How can I know if someone is lying?
Good question. That's where the famous lie detector or polygraph comes in. Now, here's the twist. A polygraph doesn't actually detect lies directly. It measures body reactions, the things your brain triggers when you're stressed. A polygraph records heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, and not least, sweating.
But wait, what if someone's just nervous?
Exactly, that's the problem. Polygraphs can mistake nervous truth tellers for liars, and calm trained liars can sometimes beat the test.
Now let's test it. Did you really eat my cookies?
No,
Heart rate rising, slight sweat detected. It looks like a lie.
Aha! Got you.
so lying's more than just words. It's your brain working hard to invent and control a false story.
And that brain activity spills into your body. Faster heart, sweating, and stress signals.
That's what lie detectors measure, though they don't truly detect lies, only stress.
And that's the science of lying. Thank you.
you.